Introducing CashBook payments, the smarter way to manage your business expenses. In today's world, managing expenses can be tough, especially for small business owners who struggle to keep track of their finances. With CashBook payments, you can take control of your expenses and reduce fraud and errors. Here's how it works. Every staff member gets a UPI wallet which they can use to make business expenses. You can add money to the master wallet and disperse it to staff wallets as required, without sending money to their personal accounts. You can set a per transaction or daily transaction limit on staff wallets to ensure they spend within your limits. Receive real-time notifications of every expense, and all transactions will be recorded in CashBook payments. To avoid manual reconciliation, you can easily download PDF and Excel reports. In short, owner will have more control over their money. It will fasten up the reconciliation process and will minimize cash leakage for sure. CashBook payments is perfect for small business owners who want to take control of their expenses and streamline their financials. So why wait? Activate CashBook payments today and monitor every expense while your staff spend on your behalf. If you need help, contact us by email or call the number displayed on the screen.